Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is a big one, the existence of God. It's a question that's been pondered by philosophers and theologians for millennia. In this video, we'll explore 7 reasons why some people believe in God. Before we dive in, it's important to acknowledge that the concept of God is a very personal one. There's no single right or wrong answer. Today, we'll be looking at arguments for God's existence, but remember, faith is also a big reason of belief. But before starting the video, do subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet and hit that bell icon to receive every video notification. Reason 1. The design argument. The design argument suggests that the order and complexity of the universe point to an intelligent designer. The intricate details of nature, from the human body to the vastness of space, seem too perfect to be random. This leads some to believe in a creator God. Reason 2. The argument from first cause. Everything that exists has a cause. This argument suggests there must be a first cause, an uncaused cause, that started everything. This first cause, for some, is God. Reason 3. The moral argument. Humans have a sense of right and wrong, a moral compass. Where does this come from? This argument suggests that objective morality exists because it was created by a moral God. Reason 4. The argument from religious experiences. Many people report profound religious experiences, feelings of connection to a higher power. While these experiences can't be proven scientifically, they can be very powerful for those who have them. Reason 5. The argument from beauty and wonder. The beauty and wonder of the natural world inspire awe and a sense of mystery in many people. This can lead to a belief in a divine creator behind it all. Reason 6. Answered prayers and miracles. Some people believe their prayers have been answered or that they've witnessed miracles. These experiences can strengthen their faith in God's existence. Reason 7. The argument from personal faith. Ultimately, for many people, faith in God is a personal choice. It's a belief system that brings meaning and purpose to their lives. These are just a few reasons why people believe in God. Whether you agree or disagree, it's important to have respectful conversations about faith. If you like the video, do me a favor, share the video and drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the channel. Until the next time, goodbye.